Since the market sets the price, the firm's task is to find the quantity to produce and sell. Let's find the quantity that maximizes profit when a perfect competitor faces the total cost described in the table below, and the market price is $10. Well, since the market sets the price, the firm can sell as little or as much as it wants at the current price. So if you sell 1 unit at $10, it can sell 2 units at $10 per unit. Oh, nope, I goofed up there. It can sell 2 units at $10 per unit. It can sell 3 units. The price stays constant at 10 as we go down the table. Well, total revenue, I'll use TR for that, is simply the price times quantity. So if I sell nothing, I get no revenue. If I sell 1 unit, 1 times 10 is $10. If I sell 2 units, I'm going to get $10 twice, and my total revenue goes to 20, and it goes to 30, to 40, to 50, 60, and 70. Profit is simply total revenue less total cost. Now I do my subtraction. I'm going to get minus 13 if quantity is zero. I'm going to get 4 if quantity is 1. Minus 4 if quantity is 1. I'll get 3 if quantity is 8. That is 3. I'll get 8 if quantity is 4. I'll get 11. I'll get 12. I'll get 11, and I'll get 8. So I can say pretty quickly that 12 is the maximum profit. Make it green. 12 is the maximum profit. 5 is the quantity that maximizes profit, because when quantity is 5, the profit equals $12. Now, a couple questions. Why doesn't total cost equal 0 when quantity is 0? Well, the answer is we've got fixed cost. This must mean that fixed cost equals FC is fixed cost. Fixed cost must be $13. Fixed cost is the cost you must pay in the short run, even when output is 0. Now, what happens to profit when a perfect competitor increases quantity? We saw in the last table that sometimes profit rises, sometimes falls. Well, when does it rise? When does it fall? Profit increases if price is greater than marginal cost. Profit decreases if price is less than marginal cost. Let's show this with the table we just created. So I've reproduced the table. I've got total output going from 0 to 7. Price remains constant at 10. And profit, we can see that profit goes up for a while. And this we'll do it here. And this range, quantity goes up, makes profit go up. And down here, quantity goes up, makes profit go down. Let's compute marginal cost. If you remember, marginal cost is the extra cost the firm pays for an extra unit of output. The formula is it's the change in total cost divided by change in Q. So when output goes from 0 to 1, output rises by 1, and cost increases also by 1. So the marginal cost of the first unit is $1. When output goes from 1 to 2, again the denominator is going to be 1, but now the numerator is going to be 3. So the marginal cost of the second unit is $3. The marginal cost of the third unit is $5. The marginal cost of the fourth unit is $7. $9. Yes, $11. And finally $13. Now notice, 10 is greater than 1. 10 is greater than 3. 10 is greater than 5. 10 is greater than 7. 10 is greater than 9. As long as price is above marginal cost, as the firm increases output, that means profit is going to increase. However, once we go from 5 to 6, now we have marginal cost being above price. Whenever marginal cost is above price, as we increase output, profit will fall. This means that a student can calculate the maximum profit for a perfect competitor when given information about price, marginal cost, and average total cost, by following 3 simple steps. First, use information about demand and marginal cost to find the profit maximizing quantity. Second, identify average total cost at this quantity. And then just chug and plug, or plug and chug. Plug in price, average total cost, and quantity into the formula. Profit equals price times quantity minus average total cost times quantity. Let's do an example. Suppose the market price is $20. We can see here when quantity goes from 10 to 11, the marginal cost is less than price. That means the profit will go up when quantity goes from 10 to 11. We can see when quantity goes from 11 to 12, now marginal cost is higher than price, so profit will decrease as we go from 11 to 12. Profit rises as we go from 10 to 11. Profit falls as we go from 11 to 12. That means that the profit maximizing quantity must be 11. To find the maximum profit, all we got to do is find the profit at that quantity. And we know that profit is going to be price times quantity minus average total cost times quantity. So we're going to have quantity is price is 20. The quantity we're looking at is 11. Average total cost is $12, and the quantity again is 11. So it's going to be 220 minus 132, and the difference there is 88. So the maximum profit is right here, 88 bucks. That's our maximum.